Long before Harley-Davidson became famous around the world, everything began inside this giant factory. Every morning, hundreds of workers entered this building to create something completely new. The smoke rising above the factory meant the machines inside were already working. Everything started with raw steel delivered by train. These heavy steel bars would soon become powerful motorcycle engines. At this stage, the steel looked rough, dirty, and worthless. But inside this raw metal, workers saw the future of motorcycles. Before the motorcycles could be built, they first had to be designed. Every single part was carefully planned on paper.
This engine design would later become legendary.
To create motorcycle engines, the steel first had to melt. The furnaces heated the steel until it became liquid fire. The liquid steel slowly filled every space inside the molds. After pouring, the metal needed time to cool and harden. For the first time, the engine blocks finally appeared. The engine blocks were still rough and unfinished. Grinding machines removed the extra metal piece by piece. Thousands of sparks flew every day inside the factory. Now the rough engine blocks entered the precision machining stage. The oil kept the machines cool while cutting through steel. The crankshaft began as glowing hot steel, fresh from the furnace. Every powerful impact shaped the future engine. The gear teeth had to fit together perfectly. The frame had to survive years of vibration and rough roads.
This mesmerizing descent from white hot to cherry red is crucial. It ensures the structural integrity of every Harley-Davidson engine casing.
The unfinished frames slowly moved through the giant factory. Now, the rough metal started transforming into something beautiful. Every polished surface reflected the hard work inside the factory. Next, workers created the famous Harley fuel tanks. But perfect details still required human hands. The motorcycle seats were made from thick, durable leather. Each leather piece was cut carefully by hand. The stitching made the seats strong enough for walking. Each piston must fit perfectly, or the engine will fail. This is the heart of Harley-Davidson, the V-twin engine.
The lifeblood of the engine, this thick lubricant flows through the channels, reducing friction and ensuring the smooth, reliable operation of the moving parts.
The frame will carry the entire weight of the machine. This is the moment everything becomes one machine.
We're now feeding the main harness through the frame, connecting the ignition system and the handlebar switches. Securing the original headlight is crucial for maintaining the bike's authenticity and ensuring proper alignment. Torque specs confirmed on the engine casing. Data logs show consistent readings. Alignment is spot on.
It wakes up with a deep, powerful roar.
Did you check the wiring harness? Yes, and the torque on the handlebars is set.
Only perfect machines are allowed to continue. Now, the machine becomes clean, ready for presentation. A full generation of motorcycles is now complete. One motorcycle stands above all others.
The heart of the beast, the legendary V-twin, an icon of American engineering captured in stunning high definition.